Have you ever tried to create virtual reality project in Unity and got stuck on that? I usually used to get stuck on that, but now I have found a way to create a virtual reality project. So here is a tutorial for beginners where you will be learning how a virtual reality headset communicate with your Unity, and you will learn it by creating a door which you will open with a keypad in virtual reality, and you will be using your controller to type that key code and open that particular door. So let's get started. And it's beginner friendly, and you will be learning lots of beginner things and important things which will help you to create lots of other project in future. Let's get started. First step will be to download Unity. For that, you can go to Google and simply type Unity download, and it will take you to the Unity official website. And you can download Unity for your Windows, Mac, or Linux. And after you press download, it will download Unity Hub. If you are new, then it will not show this option. These are project list, and if you go to this install section, you will see what you have installed. And if you want to install editor, you have to go to this install editor option, and it will show different options here. And make sure you are choosing LTS. It's long term support and it's official release, so it will not have that much of issues than that of other beta versions. So be sure using LTS support. And if you press install, then it will show options here. Make sure you install Visual Studio Community as well, or you can simply install VS Code as well. But as you are starting, make sure you tick that option, and Android build support is also required. That's all. You can simply continue and you can install. As I have already installed, I'll not be installing. After you finish installing, you'll arrive in this window, and you can see here different options. And if you go to project section and create new project, then you'll find different templates here. You can simply install one of these VR template and get going, but we'll be not using that, and we'll be using Universal 3D as it includes Universal Render Pipeline. It will be easier for us if we learn how to set project setting. So it's very important. I'll be using Universal 3D, and simply you can name your project. You can name anyone. You can click this button if you want, but it is not required, and as it is required to for that, yeah, Unity Cloud, and it's connecting and managing with different teammates, so it is not required here. And you can simply create project. As it is taking some time to load our Unity, we will be looking another important thing that is required for communication of Oculus and Unity. It's Meta Quest Link. Simply go to Meta Quest Link and download it. And what you have to do is log in with either mail, or you have to log in with your Facebook. Then you will be integrating it. You can simply sign in, and after that you will be able to use Quest Link in your Oculus headset and simply connect it. And then after it, you will be able to use or see that runtime in your Quest from Unity. So basically, you need to download this as well if you haven't. And there are lots of tutorial related to this. So I haven't created tutorial in this particular section. Once your file is created, then you will see this windows, and here are lots of different windows. And here is hierarchy option, where you will be seeing everything that is used in your project, like main camera, direction light, or if you add anything, like if you add a plane inside a 3D object, then you'll be seeing this in this window. So what is this? It's our scene window, and here is game window, which shows how it will be in final output, like it's main where we'll be playing games and other. So it's game window, and here is all that you upload. Like if I upload any 3D model, I'll upload here, and after that only I'll take it to my sample scene and I'll be using. You can rename it from here and write. And it will rename here as well. And here is inspector window. So if you select any option here, you can make changes here like position, rotation, scale, and every other thing, like adding scripts are also possible from here. So here is basic of Unity.